Introduction. Groups of cells having a common origin and performing similar functions are called tissues. Study of tissues is called histology. Tissues are present in all multicellular organisms, whether plants or animals. Learning new words. Tissue, a group of similar cells that perform a common function and have a common origin, is called a tissue. Meristematic tissue. It is composed of a group of similar cells which have capacity to divide and form new cells. Permanent tissue. They are derived from meristematic tissue and comprising of non-dividing cells. Vascular tissue. Conducting tissues responsible for the transport of water and dissolved minerals, that is xylem, and food, that is phloem, from one part of the plant to the other. Connective tissue. Supporting and binding tissue which connects different tissues or organs of the body and forms a packing material around them. Bone. Rigid skeletal connective tissue which forms the framework of the body and protects vital organs. Cartilage. Skeletal connective tissue which provides flexibility to the soft tissue. Ligament. Connective tissue that connects two bones. Tendon. Connective tissue that connects muscles to the bones. Involuntary muscle. The smooth and cardiac muscle which cannot work at our will. Voluntary muscle. The skeletal muscles which work at our will. Adipose tissue. Tissue that stores fat in our body. Nervous tissue. Tissue present in our brain and spinal cord which receives and sends signals, that is stimulus in our body. Muscular tissue. Tissue that contains contractile proteins and causes either pull or push action in our body. Epidermal tissue. The tissue which is in the form of continuous layer and there are no intercellular spaces present. Histology. Study of tissues.